It's an AMD laptop. The brand new Apple A9600 manual. Another book, I don't know, warranty. Where in game, by purchasing this product you may be eligible for a free game download. Oh, nice. And by the look, I think from AMD, yeah. Power cord, power supply, the box. It's a nice box, if you ask me. Here are the configuration: 4 gigs of RAM DDR4, 500 HDD, and an R7 M440. Here is the laptop. It's beautiful. It's my new laptop. I bought it for about 500 euros. Okay, let's use the professional tools. I don't even know how to open it. Okay, like this. Black mat to protect the keyboard. It is the actual laptop. I don't know if it has any kind of battery remained. No door to change configuration inside, so I can't upgrade the RAM without removing the warranty, so I will not do that. The laptop, I will start it now. I hope it works. Looks like the battery is dead, or the laptop is dead, which is not quite good. Okay, let's plug it in. It has free DOS, it doesn't have Windows installed. I will make another video in a few more days with installed Windows and review how it works. How is gaming performance, how hard is working, and temperature. Okay, let's plug it in. Can you see any kind of LED? I can't see any kind of LED. Oh, it's on this side. A LED that looks like the battery is charging. And it starts. Oh, nice. Good. I don't know. HP documents and FreeDOS. Let me see. Okay, include him and I don't know. Okay, looks like it's a FreeDOS here. Restart. I don't know how to restart it. Okay. HP documents. Something is charging. I hope it doesn't boom. Ooh, nice. Release note, common documents, elements, platform guides. Oh, it's warranty. Okay. Systems, server setups. Not much. Some files. Maybe 3 boot files. Okay. This is all. I will shut it down now. Going to HAL now. Okay. This is my review, my unboxing. Hope you like it. See you next time for a review. Bye.